the 2002 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Call today to schedule a test drive.